Welcome to the channel. Have you ever imagined converting your binge-watching sessions into substantial earnings? Today is your fortunate day, as this video isn't merely a guide, but an immersive exploration of a revolutionary strategy that might yield an impressive $600 per day. Yes, you heard correctly, and you're likely curious about the method. It's as straightforward as engaging in something you probably do daily: watching YouTube videos. This approach, suitable for beginners, demands no upfront investment and is available globally. Intrigued? Stay with us as we explore all the specific details. However, before we dive in, remember to show your support by liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to ensure you don't miss any of our money-making tips. This way, you'll maximize your earnings. Now let's start with the basics. Picture this: your mobile phone, an internet connection, a combination that equals a pocketful of cash. Intrigued? I'll walk you through a three-step process that's as easy as grabbing your phone. If you're tempted to dismiss this as just another online endeavor, hold on. Your mobile phone serves as the gateway to unlocking $600 a day. How? Stay tuned as we explore the initial step, and remember, it's simpler than you might think. Before we delve into the details, take a moment to share your age and the online income goal you're targeting by the end of 2024 in the comments below. Your input will enhance my understanding, ensuring my upcoming videos are tailored for you. So go ahead and provide your age and passive income goal. As for the initial step, it's quite simple. Grab your mobile phone or any available device. This approach is adaptable, allowing you to execute it on either your phone or computer, providing flexibility and convenience. We're not referring to endless hours of aimless scrolling. I'm referring to viewing brief YouTube videos that can potentially yield up to $3 per view. Moving on to step 2, simply click play and indulge in these short YouTube videos. As previously stated, each video you watch has the potential to earn you up to $3. Envision the possibilities. Watching 20 videos could result in $60, and if you extend it to 200 videos daily, you're effortlessly reaching $600. Now we won't conclude at this point. Let's proceed to cash out, and I'll guide you through the process. Following your YouTube binge, it's time to redeem your earnings. Once your earnings reach $7, you can effortlessly cash out using PayPal, Bitcoin, or EEG gift cards. To proceed, scroll down and click on the designated button. The cash out procedure is straightforward, ensuring that your well-earned dollars are quickly accessible to you. Sounds straightforward, doesn't it? You can earn cash by completing simple activities at any time, anywhere, in any country, and it's entirely free. No payment is required. Stay tuned because shortly we'll introduce you to this platform, allowing you to commence earning the awaiting cash. This earning potential extends beyond merely watching videos. It's about transforming your time into a money-making machine. The more videos you watch, the more you'll find yourself watching until you lose count. And remember, there's a special bonus for you at the end of this video, so ensure you stick around and watch until the very end. Feeling the excitement? Now let me introduce you to the platform transforming viewers into earners. The website isn't merely a gateway. It's a portal to limitless opportunities. And here's the exciting part: you don't have to invest a single penny. Ready to jump in? Allow me to walk you through the process of getting started. Visit the website known as gig2u.org. It acts as the entry point to your new earning venture. This site is entirely free, requiring no initial investment. You can earn money through surveys, gaming, and more. But today, we're concentrating on the rewarding realm of video watching. But that's not all. Just for signing up, you receive a generous $1 bonus, a welcoming gesture to a realm where watching videos translates to making money. Follow along as I guide you through the sign-up process, and let's commence your journey to earning. Upon signing up, you'll instantly receive a $1 bonus, adding a delightful incentive right from the beginning. Simply input your basic details, including your first name, email address, username, create a password, and specify your country. Once signed up, you're good to go. The platform welcomes users from across the globe, ensuring an inclusive opportunity for everyone. Now, what distinguishes this platform from others? It's the remarkable payout rates. Forget the standard 40 to 60% offered elsewhere. This platform is elevating the stakes with rates ranging from 65 to 85%. Once you're in, the dashboard becomes your central command. It's not solely about watching videos. It's about exploring the potential earnings through various offers from legitimate global companies. Ready to witness the possibilities materialize? Join me as you log in. The dashboard greets you with numerous offers and avenues to accumulate coins and points, ultimately converting into dollars. Delve into the potential earnings by exploring offers from reputable global companies. Yet, for our primary focus today, we're concentrating on the most profitable and straightforward avenue: watching YouTube videos. Quick note, if you're enjoying this video that I've invested my time and effort into, I'd greatly appreciate it if you could hit the like button and subscribe with notifications on. Let's target 300 likes, and upon achieving that milestone, I'll release another video next week revealing more exciting ways to earn online from the comfort of your home. No more talking. Let's take action. Join me in the video section, where every 200 points earned translates to a silver token. What makes it remarkable? It contributes $1 to $3 to your account balance. And that's not all. You get to explore various video categories, including food, music, viral, and gaming, to name a few. Before you begin watching these videos, ensure your ad blocker is turned off, as you need to accumulate video points for the ads displayed. Additionally, the website mandates joining Pixel Point. Upon creating your account, you can amass Pixel Point points, requiring a minimum of 9 points for redemption into GG2U video points. Click the Redeem Balance button on the Pixel Point website. It's advised to watch the videos directly from the Pixelo website. Follow these steps to link your Pixelo account to your GG2U account. Firstly, ensure your web browser is set to consistently accept cookies. Secondly, log into your GG2U account and promptly click our orange and black videos button to access this page. Thirdly, log in once more to your Pixel Point account. It should automatically identify your GG2U account. Verify that your GG2U username is displayed on the Pixel Point website. If the process fails, repeat these steps using an alternate web browser. After completing these steps, you can now proceed to earn cash through these videos. Quite impressive. For our viewers and subscribers, here's the anticipated bonus. It's not just about watching one category. It's about simultaneously watching them all. I'll unveil the secret to enhancing your earnings without dedicating hours to your screen. Ready for a game-changing tip? Open multiple tabs or utilize different devices, transforming this into a multitasking opportunity that maximizes your earnings. If you have spare devices like phones, tablets, laptops, or even your smart fridge lying around, put them all to good use. You can double your earnings. By doing this, you won't need to watch every second of every video. You can simply let them run simultaneously in the background while attending to your tasks. And voila, you earn money just like that. Your free time translates to more money gained. Now let's conclude this comprehensive guide on how to earn $600 per day by watching YouTube videos for free in 2024. If you found value in this video, please hit the like button and subscribe with notifications on for more guides and fortune innovations. Remember, the possibilities are boundless, and with commitment and consistency, you can transform your love for watching videos into a substantial income. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to like and subscribe or more. I suggest you to watch my last video, To Make Money Online This 2024, called How to Make $10,000 per Month with Motivational YouTube Shorts in 2024. Until next time, stay tuned for more exciting content, happy earning, and I'll see you in the next video.